Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back. Yo, what's good? How is everyone doing today? What's popping, man? What's popping? How's everyone doing? Yo, so we are back, man. It's New York session right now. What is good? What is good? What's good? Matt, FX OTP, Louis, Gandhi. Who else here? Jazz here. Diaz. Ja, I knew you'd grab those buyers, bro. I knew it. Good shit. Who else is here, man? What's good? Malenko, La Leche. How we doing? How we doing? Chat. Listen, it's going to be a good one. Abdullah, what's good? It's going to be a good day today, man. It's going to be a good day. Sorry I'm late. I was working on some emails, to be honest. I had to send. But I'm only 7 minutes late. You guys can forgive me, I'm sure. I'm sure. But listen, what are we saying? What's good? High Life. SCXT, what's good? So yeah, chat, we got news today, right? We got news at 3 o'clock, so not for a while. We have some opportunities here to essentially get some clean trades in, hopefully before news. I thought we were about to get the cleanest trade I've ever seen, right? Which would be this, not actually, but I thought we were going to get a really clean trade here, which was going to be just this simple closure above, and then you got what we thought was a bottom wick, but it's now just ripped down, closed right back into the range of where we were earlier, right? Exactly where we were earlier. But again, does not matter. So listen, right now we are, where are we? We're in this range here, in my opinion, on the daily. Actually, sorry, not the daily. This is the daily. The daily is now reflipped bearish, and yeah, you're starting to come down a little bit. So with that being said, right, you got the 4 hour as well, which made a big top wick, bro, and then it decided to flip down. If you do decide to close below 26.25 on the 4 hour very shortly, you are going to see a continuation down, right? Realistically, yeah, I think, to be honest, just my intuition right now is telling me that we continue down here. Now, on the 1 hour, the same range applies, 26.25.1, and then obviously between there and 26.29, that's your range. Realistically, you've got room now if you do close below here. Hopefully we can not fill the range before we close, but if you do close below here now, you've got room all the way to 26.18 just here, all the way at the bottom. Now obviously if you do decide to come back up into the range, we can take some buys to fill the range up, and then obviously after that you do have room until 26.33. But what I'm thinking is, chat, I'm thinking either we continue to range or we push back down here. I don't see us continuing up just yet. So yeah, that's oh, chat, that is clean, I can't lie. Yeah, you might fill the range up to the upside, chat. But what I'm saying is, I don't know if you continue back above 26.33 now. Just yet. You might do, don't get me wrong. I could be completely wrong here, but yeah, you either continue to range or you actually, you know, just stay around here. But that's the analysis, chat. Listen, if you did enjoy it, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. And listen, we're locked in, man. We're locked in. It's been a good week so far. Obviously, it's been 1 day, right? But it's been a good sort of start to the week. Now we just need to see, you know, if we can keep it going. But yeah, listen. How's everyone doing, chat? What's good, Jar? What's good, Max? Good week so far. Yeah, I know. 1 day, but still. It's still a double day. Keeps the doctor away, right? Keeps the bailiff away. Buenas tardes. What's good, brother? Buenos noches. All good here? Good stuff, man. Everyone's all good. That's good to hear. Chat, you might rip down here. You might rip down. Listen, you got a 15-minute close in 4 minutes here. You can't really take anything on the 15. It's a bit... Oh, actually, my bad. I got that wrong. It's not too choppy down here. I thought these wicks were... It's actually quite clean. The only thing I would say is that we did reject and close above on the 1, so I'd be a little bit cautious. Realistically, I'd probably want to wait for the 30 to take the sells if you're going to take them on anything before the 1 hour. But they are actually cleanest on the 4 hour. Daily's also coming relatively close to breaking its own low. I think you're like... Wait, was this today? Yeah, you're... What? 20 pips away? No, not even 15 pips away. So once you break that daily low, you realistically shouldn't really go anywhere else other than down, right? Yeah, you shouldn't go anywhere else other than down. But yeah, man, I'm super excited for today. Again, we got 2 hours till news, so Got some room to potentially grab a trade here. If we don't, then obviously we might watch news, but 3 o'clock news is not the best for me. I'd rather just let it go. But that being said, chat, did anyone catch anything during the the intermission, I guess, let's call it? Anyone catch anything during that? Or no? Hey brother, is it possible for you to stream with MetaTrader for us? Because we can see better your positions. Nah, I don't want to share my terminal, bro, to be honest. Not really, to be honest. I think also it's just a bit messy, like, it doesn't look the nicest. I'd rather just have it on the other screen. But yeah, listen, it's 15-minute close here in 1 minute's time. If you do close below, realistically, I don't see why you wouldn't rip down. This rejection is worrying me, though. Yeah, wow. How's your day so far? Yeah, good, bro. Good, thank you. So, chat, listen. If you do start to, like, make these sort of projections here, maybe if we close, you do have, like, basically an onion play here on the 15-minute. If you do close bullish on the next 30, we could also take buys to continue up, right? That's what I'd want to see here. I think it's very possible as well. Right, you should fill the range after you do that. You've got a lot of room to do that, but I want to see how these closures play out. Maybe even if this 15 closes bullish, right, we could take some buys. Realistically, you shouldn't break that low again. I mean, like, if you do break that low again, you will continue further down, right? That's a big rejection, especially at this level here. 26.25 is a strong level now. I never thought I'd be saying that so early. 26.25. Bit ridiculous. W rejection for your buys. Hey, good stuff, bro. You must have came close to stops, no? Hopefully you make it out. Give me another all-time high? Yeah, I hope so, bro. Well, actually, no, I don't. I don't know why I said that. I really don't hope so. 15 looks like it's going to close respecting. I mean, we'll see here, but it does look like it's trying to close respecting. Yeah. Interesting. Did close respecting. You closed weak bearish, almost doji, which is not bad. That's quite a good closure. I'm not going to lie. I probably do want to wait for the 30 here. Yeah, the market structure is still a bit bearish, right? I feel like it might be a little bit trying to catch a falling knife here. Because even though, yes, you're rejecting here, if you look at the 5, right, what do you have? You just have lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. Next step would be to come down, right? Obviously, you might get the market structure shift, right? And you might continue up like this. Don't get me wrong. But at the same time, I'd rather wait for the 30. Comics open in 5 minutes. Very, very true. Very true. Let's see what Comics Open does. Let's see. But yeah, realistically, if this 5 does flip, it probably will continue upwards a little bit. Again, if we wait for the 30, though, it's a lot more secure, and you might get a bit of a worse entry. Don't get me wrong, you might have, I don't know, 15 pip worse entry. But at the same time, that confirmation is worth it, in my opinion. Definitely worth it. So yeah, we'll see exactly how this plays out here. And we'll wait for that closure very shortly. But we should be looking good here to grab some positions. Should be looking good either way, right? You're either going to close below or you're going to close and continue back up. So either way, we can take some positions to make that move. But yeah, chat, listen, I was thinking whilst I was away, I'm very proud of this community in terms of like the way that everyone holds themselves, right? It's I don't know. I swear, there's no toxicity in this community. It's mad. I've never really seen anything like it, so I'm very happy to have that be sort of, you know, the community that we've built here, and that's basically all down to you guys. So yeah, I appreciate you guys very much for that, and you guys should be proud of what you're building. Essentially, at the end of the day, it's all you guys, not me. Pack bam still for lunch. Yeah, bro. The clear amp store, unfortunately. It's a good spot there. I can't lie, that's a good spot. W, yeah, W indeed. What's good, Deep? My guy, happy Tuesday. Indeed. Beer, no beer. No beer, not yet. Once we make a milli, chat, we'll have a beer. Alright, deal? Sounds like a deal to me. What's good, Tyler? What's good, Rays? OG's pulling up. Yeah, listen, this could be interesting, chat. Definitely could be interesting. There's a lot of potential, right? So stick around. Stay locked in. What's good, Florian? Blessing everyone with a good trading week ahead. Hey, I'm glad to hear that, bro. Thank you for the blessing. What's good, bro? School's been mad recently. What happened yesterday? We caught a dub, and that was about it. Caught a dub in New York. Nothing in London. Yes, and yeah, that's basically what happened, you know. Very, very simple. But again, chat, you're sort of testing these lows again. Like I said though, if this 5-minute / 15-minute flips here, you realistically will see a continuation to the top of the range most likely. But if you do close below, again, if you close below, it's clean traffic, right? Last time you closed below here, you continue to fill down the entire way. And then at all the other times where you like rejected into it, you filled down the entire way as well. So, I mean, as long as we can grab a closure below here, you should be good to get some clean positions. I just want to make sure that, firstly, it's not a fake out on the 1 hour. And secondly, that we're not getting too close to the 4 hour. We don't get any of those shenanigans involved. But if we can avoid that, and we can essentially just stay, you know, disciplined, we should be good here. Should be chilling. Five minutes closing below though, chat. This will be the first 5-minute close below in a while. Actually, it's closing respecting the 5-minute level here. Interesting. But it is technically a closure below, so you might see a continuation here. And that's, again, now you're confirming now that you do have another lower low, right? Gone like this. You're likely to see a continuation down right now. So yeah, we'll see exactly what we do, but again, stops for both positions aren't too bad, right? If you got buys, your stops would be like 35 pips. If you got sells somewhere around here, you're looking at, again, like 30 pip stops. So a lot of potential here, chat, if I'm honest. A lot of potential. See what we do. Comics open right now though, so you should see some volume coming into the market, whether it's now or in like a minute or so. Either way, you should see a push in one direction or the other. But yeah. Have a buy for gold, sell for USD CAD. 2 positions at once, my bro. Yeah, W. I mean, hopefully they both play out. Hopefully they both play out, man. Yeah, we're literally 30 subs off 4.5k. How crazy is that? That's actually nuts. Yeah, it's actually ridiculous, bro. Growing so fast. Afternoon all. What's good, Michael? How's it going, brother? Yeah, it's starting to reject here, chat. Interesting. Interesting. 15-minute flipped. Oh, chat, this could rip up here. Again, it's so one way or the other right now. It's end-to-end stuff, right? You're either going to rip up here or you're going to continue down. Can you guys see the wicks on my chart or not? Do they disappear at some point? Nah. Okay, interesting, chat. interesting. Definitely a lot of potential here. You got 7 minutes now to the 30-minute close. That's not very long at all. Not very long to wait here, especially if you can close bullish like this. Then we'll definitely be okay to take some buys. If you could close exactly like this, that'd be ideal. But obviously, in 7 minutes, we're not going to sit still. So the likelihood of that is very, very low. It needs a top weight to get down. Yeah, it does. But oh, chat, you're pushing here. Wow. Comex Open's going to drive you here. You know the buys got gobbled up. Fair play, bro. Yeah, they were clean. The only thing is that was tricking me out for not taking them was realistically that we were closing below, trying to continue down here. But the rejections were nice. See what we do here, chat. 6 minutes though. It's not very long to wait. That Comex Open volumes brought you in here, and now you might have a change in market structure if you do close above this high. Is good as long as you don't feel the range before we can get it like in, right? You should be okay. Careful off the 26.38 level. Well, that's miles away. I mean 26.28. Close 50% stops to be. Let's see. Hey, let's go Gondis. Good stuff. W, bro. Yeah, 26.28. Nah, you're good, bro. I knew what you meant. Knew what you meant. Alright, cool. So, a lot of potential here, man. I really want to see us close exactly like this. 5 minutes going to close nicely, I think. Although you are closing respecting, right? So you might... Again, you just have to wait for this closure. It's very important. 30 minutes closure is going to tell you everything you need to know. 1 hour says there's a fat flip coming up. Yeah, but then look at the 4 hour chat. It's very indecisive right now. It's either going to reject here. Like we said, right, this is a very crucial part of the day. It's either going to reject here or it's going to close below and continue down. But either way, there's potential. Depends on essentially how this 30-minute closes. That's why I'm saying this is such an important closure. Realistically, you have room all the way up now to 26.29 on the 30-minute. Every time you reject off here, you do tap it. So I'm not concerned about that. It's just whether or not you actually do close properly. Or whether you fill the range first before we get in. 5 minute just close, no top wick there. This cup's empty. Let's see here, chat. Let's see. Bro, drank oxygen. Bro. I always do that shit when I'm so focused. Like, when I'm so focused, you just end up, like, drinking some empty drink or something. But yeah, listen, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for pulling up early to the New York session. I think, yeah, there's a lot of potential today, man. So let's see if we can get to, like, 50 likes on the stream. And let's lock it in for the next 4 minutes here. I want to see how this 30-minute close is to see if we can take buys to continue up. Realistically, I'd like to target the top of this no top wick candle. I think if you are going to continue up here, you're going to get taken up there, grab this no top wick, and then that's where you're going to see a reaction. So either way, we'll see. But again, a lot of potential here right now. 3 minutes to the close though, chat. 3 minutes. Whoa. I need to start sleeping earlier. I've been tired today. Hi chat, good afternoon. What's good, Luis? How's it going, man? No. Chat, we need this to pull back, man. I don't want to see this continue to the top of the range right now. I fear that it might do, right? But I don't want it to do that. DJ missed my entry level by 2 pips. Now it's buying. I'm so dead. It's tough, bro. Chat, you need to see a pullback here for the last 3 minutes. I don't think you're going to see it, but you do need it. Otherwise, we're not going to grab any positions. Chat, this is tough. Gold being gold, eh? What time did you sleep? 2 a.m. Something like that. You were up till 4 a.m. last night. That's crazy, bro. Were you up for London or no? Yeah, you were. Bro, what? That's next level. Pull back. 5-minute no top wick equals drives. Gold's being gold. Yeah, I know, bro. It's so weird at the minute, but it is what it is. You've still got some room to the top of the range, chat. I'm not afraid of taking a position here still. Maybe now I am if it does this. Just need a pullback, chat. More than anything, you need a pullback here. Alright, let's see what we do here, chat. You got 1 minute and 50 seconds left. It's kind of tapped your advantage point there. Advantage point realistically was 26, 28, right? You don't want to see it react off that in a bad way. Sleep twice a day usually. Oh, crazy. Apparently that's quite a good thing. I can never do it, but apparently it is a good thing. Let's see, chat. You do have some room here though now. If you do get a bottom wick, I don't see why you wouldn't continue up and tap into 26, 29. That could be your break-even point. Every time you do reject off here, you have tapped the top of the range, right? Every single time. So you'd expect to do the same again here. You would expect to do the same again. If the 5 can close like this, 30 close like this, great. Bottom wick, flip, and then you can obviously, your actual overall target will be the top of this range here, but you can sort of manage some risk at the top of this range at 26, 29 or 26, 30. And then the rest can run till 26, 33, 26, 34-ish. Okay. Okay. There's the no top wick in effect, right? That means no buys, chat. That means 0 buys for us. And it also means no sells. Nah, there's no, well, there's news later, but this was not news right now. $26, $28 level. Yeah, I mean, it tapped $26, $29 and then rejected, but yeah, nothing for me here, chat, unfortunately. It might continue up, don't get me wrong, but this is just not a clean setup anymore after that rejection. Yeah, no top wick and no real bottom wick anyway, so you're just in the range again, chat. It's a bit indecisive here. We'll probably have to wait now for the next 15 or maybe even the 4 hour, right? But yeah, I can't take anything just yet. That is tough. It was setting up perfectly, until it wasn't. But yeah, no, it is what it is, chat. It's part of the game. Top GSG, what's good, Jan? How's it going, brother? How's it going? Cool. Lovely stuff, chat. Lovely stuff. A lot of stuff coming in the works as well. Hopefully the new vlog should be out like tomorrow, day after maybe. Or maybe towards the end of the week, I don't know. But whenever it comes out, it comes out. I'm going to be working on a playbook as well soon. A lot of stuff to come, man. Okay, cool. So, bro, the 30-minute looks so clean until the last second. What is it with gold, eh? These last second pushes. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Listen, again. News at 3 o'clock, so we'll probably wait for just before news. If there's nothing by then, we'll probably call it, right? I don't think I'll take anything after news today, especially like 3 o'clock news. Or maybe we'll see what it does. But yeah, I do have some calls that I have to get to this evening. So I don't know. We'll see. But I think we should be able to squeeze in a position before then, regardless. How hard is it to keep talking when nothing goes on the trade side? It depends, right? It depends on, firstly, how busy chat is. Secondly, I guess what's in my head, right? No, I mean, I just feel like we're having a conversation rather than anything else. Especially like, I mean, yeah. Literally just, I just have a chat. This bitch better pay my dinner tonight, lol. I got an expensive... Wait, what you got? What's trying to pay for your dinner? Gold or what? SG's a professional yapper, bro. He's got this. Yeah. I do. Professional yap. Who's been dominating? Bro, yeah, Catalan data, bro. I thought that too. I gotta take out all my friends for dinner. Oh, okay. You gotta take me out for dinner, bro, when I come. But yeah, what was I saying? Who's been dominating Geoguessr? Gondi, bro. It's been a bit of a mix, to be honest. Did I have a win yesterday? No, I didn't. I got smoked yesterday. Who won it yesterday? It was someone whose name was SG is making me rich. I didn't actually find out who it was. But yeah, there's a few. Jack, didn't you cook up yesterday? Yeah, you won one, and then yeah. Oh yeah, Jar cheated yesterday. That's what it was. So Gondi, Jar cheated on yesterday's. Somehow got in the middle of the fucking desert in Laos. Literally got 3 meters away from where it was. In the middle of the jungle. Sorry, not the desert. I don't know how. Basically knew the bloke's fucking house where it was. But yeah, chat, listen, 4-hour flips as well. Okay, so look. That's mad sus. Yeah, I'm telling you. But anyway, a lot rides on this 4-hour close, chat. So if you do close, well, we were going to close below 26.24, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen now. If you do close a back above 26.30, basically, you should be good to continue up here. So essentially, depending on how this 4-hour closes, it's going to give you some good indication of where we're sort of looking to go. Knew the bloke's house, yeah. Loud via Hanoi when I came to see you, bro. Yeah, you should have stayed at my place in Hanoi. I'm still piss poor, but next summer come to Turkey. I'll show you some nice beaches and treat you good food. Bro, you don't have to treat me. I'll definitely pull up there at some point. Yeah, man. Cool. 5-minute close. What did the 5-minute do? 5-minute taps into the top of the level, closed bearish. You might see a bit of a rejection here, but again, you have a sort of a shift here in market structure. You've sort of... Oh, that was the 1-minute. My bad. You've sort of started to continue up here now, rather than making lower lows. You're obviously just continuing, but you do need to wait for these closures to occur before you can get anything. We can close above 26.30. I mean, you can take some buys, but you'd be a little bit overextended. What server are you using for gold on TradingView? FXCM, bro. FXCM. It's the best one. I've got some house music in the background, by the way. I sort of switched it up. But like, it was getting a bit too dreary, especially during winter. But I think realistically, if you are going to close above 26.30, you need to Probably need to wait for the next 30 after the 4 hour because you're going to be very overextended, right? You want to get some sort of, you know, better stops. And the way that you do that is by waiting. But at the end of the day, it depends on what we do here. Because you might just close in the range and then you're pretty fucked. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Wow, so okay, chat, you really are rejecting off this level, but you did tap into it, right? That's exactly what we said. We exactly expected that you should tap into this level. Unfortunately, we just didn't get the entry that we needed. But yeah, I mean, it's very valid that you were going to tap into there. Now anything could happen, right? You could reject and continue downwards. You could, I don't know, you could do anything. So yeah, I mean, obviously 4 hour close very shortly, 22 minutes here. That should bring you some volume as well. If not, you've obviously got New York Open after that, which will bring you a little bit more volume. I have some questions regarding the trend journal. The answer can wait to the end of the session. What do you put in the section risk management and trade idea? Trade idea. Trade idea is like what you're expecting to happen. Like why. Basically what your advantage point is if you simplify it down. So like. Let me just scroll across here. So like. Risk management, obviously you're putting like stop loss. What your stop loss was, how many pips stop loss was, what the time frame was, what your break even point was. And this one's whether or not you went break even, whether or not you actually moved your stops to break even. Then trade idea. Let's say that we took this 30-minute buy right here. The trade idea behind that would be to fill the range. So you put fill the range. If it was, I don't know, a wick entry and on a closure below, you put like the trade idea was. I mean, you can change them all on the front page, right? Like you can set up your own ones here. This is exactly why I made this here. You can set up your own trade ideas. So maybe you have a flip and drive. Maybe you have a wick fill. Maybe you're anticipating the top or bottom wick. Whatever it is, you can change it. And then you put what liquidity it was grabbed. So did it sweep Asian lows? Did it grab a bottom wick? Etc. 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 But it's all customizable, right? So you can just find exactly what you normally go off of. Thanks a lot. Yeah, no worries. No worries. But listen, chat. It's going to be an interesting closure here. It's going to be a very, very interesting closure. I just want to get out of this range, to be honest. We've just been stuck in this range all day. It's been a bit difficult. Most likely we're waiting for news, I'd say. Now it's clear. Hey, good stuff. What I like to hear. What I like to hear. Yeah, cool. So you do have a 15-minute close here in 4 minutes. Okay, I want to see how heavily you're reacting. If you start to reject, yo, chat, some guy's doing some mad fucking drilling like down the road from me. Let me close this window. Dang, bro, all I can hear is that. But yeah, all right, we're good. What was I saying? I got distracted there. Got no clue what I was saying. But anyway. Mad drilling is sus. Yeah, that is crazy. Drilling emos. Not the emos again. They're back. They're back. Yeah. You guys make anything sus, eh? You can find a way to make anything suspect, but that's actually it's a skill. To be honest, it's a skill. Yeah. Bro, I don't even know how you guys do it. It's next level. A purchase at 20. A purchase. Have a purchase at 26.34. Should I keep it up? Or should I keep it? 26.34, bro. You bought at 26.34. Well, it depends what your trade idea was. Is there a version of that journal with the signals data? I'd like to go back test with them in mind. Yeah, just do exclamation mark record. It's not up to date for the past week or so though, so just be careful of that. My cat fell on the keyboard. Insane. Insane. I saw it. I saw it. It's also, yeah, it's only got till like June, that journal, because obviously we made a new one. But yeah, you should be good. You should have a little bit of you know, data in there. But yeah, chat, listen, you're pushing down. You got the 15-minute close here in 2 minutes time. You can close bearish. Might be very interesting. Might be very, very interesting. Yeah, I want to see what we do here. But again, a very strong reaction, right? Very, very strong reaction. Which is a good sign, I guess, if you're looking to get sells at some point. But obviously, there's not much room to the bottom of this range now, so I doubt you can really take sells here. We need some time here, chat. Time is the essence. Whoa. Cool. So did anyone go to the gym today between sessions? I had to wait, to be honest. I had some stuff to do, but I reckon after the stream, sorry, I'm gonna go hit like a shoulder session or something. Big shoulder day, some abs maybe. Should be nice. Should be decent actually. Benching now. Insane. Insane. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday, right? My split is so off at the minute. Texting while doing squats, insane. That's next level. That's next level commitment right there. What is this? Oh, insane. All right, cool. Classic titty Tuesdays, yeah, bro. Chest on Tuesdays, a good one. Okay, 15-minute closing here. You look like you're gonna close like doji, almost weak bullish. Can entry buy and sell here both will probably play out. Just can't get a set. Yeah, true. That's the thing. You're in the middle of the range. You could realistically do either if your stops were big enough, right? But yeah, there's no point. You're right there. Okay, 15-minute did close bullish, but yeah, interesting. You are starting to reject still. Like, it's very strange here the way that we're forming this price. You push up and then you reject last minute and close different to what you expect, and then you just continue in the same way. What I mean is, like, that 30-minute here, you pushed up all the way and you're expecting us to continue bullish. The last minute, the 5 decides to come down and close bearish, and then it just decides anyway to continue up bullish. That makes not really much, it doesn't really make much sense if I'm honest. But yeah, it's not really normal price action, but again, nothing we can really do here. You're getting stopped out on gold, lol, switching to a different pair. Yeah, just be careful, man. Like, gold's very difficult at the minute. It's a very difficult pair, but I wouldn't switch. Just learn why you're getting stopped out and figure that out, and then you'll be good. Can we please break this range before news? I know, bro. No, I'd love to, but it doesn't look like we want to, eh? Doesn't look like we want to. Chat, realistically, depending on the 4-hour here, I'll wait for the next 30 after the 4-hour, but that might be it. You can close below now, though. That'd be so nice. AI is going to be more human-like in the next decade, so do you think people will just make AI replicate their strategies? Yeah, I don't know about that, bro. AI already does do most of the, like 90% of all trades in the market are placed by AI. So I guess it just become more readily accessible to like non-hedge fund, you know, traders basically. So maybe, but I don't know if they'll give us that. Like, they love to gatekeep stuff, right? And I feel like they'll just gatekeep the most advanced AI so that we can't like trade with it and multiply money and shit like that. Chat, the 1 hour just flipped here, which is very interesting. If you can close below 26.25, chat, you've got some clean sells, but again, you just need to see that closure, right? Very important here. You've got 12 minutes now to the 1 hour close. 12 minutes, which is not bad. Not a long time, chat. Just patience here. Yeah, but I'd love to break out this range, if I'm honest. It'd be a lot better if we could do that. Five-minute closing in a minute here. This range is tough, chat. Yeah, very, very tough. But again, what did we say this morning, right? Literally this morning we were talking about exactly how you know, what I was saying, sorry, that I'm pretty sure we're going to start to reject here instead of pushing up to all-time highs again for the next like day or so. You just seem to be recently, or like gradually, you seem to be rejecting the highs stronger and stronger each time. And, you know, as we make these pushes up, you start to reject them a little bit more and a little bit more. So yeah, you need to essentially just be careful if you're trying to take buys at all-time high. But I think you might start to see some sort of a retracement. Yeah, long-term gold definitely needs to retrace 100%. I'm gonna lie, buys and sells will probably win if people have stops below and above overall ranges. Yeah, that is true. You just can't take a position in the middle of the range. 2640 and reject. Yeah. That's exactly what we said, right? Exactly what we said. Okay, 5 minute decided to close, no top wick. You are again pushing up towards the top of this range. Yeah, man. Difficult price action here. Difficult price action. You don't want to be trading this, right? If you're thinking about how can I get a trade here, just don't. Right, you just need to wait for something outside of the range. Either direction, it doesn't matter. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for a closure outside the range. Not my pillow, bro. Yeah, we want to see a closure outside the range. We want to see essentially some confirmation of direction. Because at the minute, we don't know which way price is going to go at all. We've got no idea. It's actually horrible price action. Oh. Yeah, interesting. Big boys enter the playground, is trying to find a side to crash. Bro, they're just keeping it in the same range over and over so they can, like, you know, accumulate orders. A classic play. Classic play, man. But yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Okay. How much did you make last year? I made 1,000 billion last year. All in one go as well. It was insane. I'm richer than Elon Musk. Bunso Gaming, what's good, man? How you doing? Yeah, you're ripping up here. Ripping up. Bro, who asks questions like that? Like... How much did you make? Wait, yeah. Yeah, I got you. Commands. Alright, we got it. At least £10, yeah. Did make at least £10 last year, just. Hopefully it works. Does that work? Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna need the ID number and banking details to confirm. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. Chat, you're pushing up here though. Shit. 1 hour close in 6 minutes. Maybe we will break out the range. Maybe. I think you should be good now to tap into 26.33, chat. If only those 30-minute buys had given us what we wanted. Eh? If only. But nah, listen, nothing you can do, right? And you're also probably going to fill the next range before we get anything here. Yo, what's good, Mark? Exclamation mark underwear is crazy. We copy trade, it's okay, brother? Is that okay, bro? Yeah, of course, bro. Marky Mark. Marky Mark is crazy. What time frame are you using? This is the 1 hour time frame, but we use every single time frame, right? Every single time frame. Alright, chat, you need to see a pullback here if you're gonna get a position though. Man, dead today, lost 1%, got bottom wicked and popped up. Yeah, bro. It's just gold being gold. It's unfortunate, man, but yeah, it is what it is. At least you know that you didn't really do anything wrong. Lost almost 2% yesterday, gold did me dirty. Ah, yeah, it is what it is, man. At least you manage risk, right? 2% is not bad. 2% is not too bad. Chat, you got 4 minutes to the 1 hour close here. I want to see what we do. I want to see how we can close. Yeah, also drop a like, chat. Let's get to 50 likes if we can. Much appreciated. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys' support at the minute, but hopefully we can grab a position here soon. Just want to see what we can actually take. Whether we can take anything. Pull back, please. The range is almost filled. It is. That's why we need the pullback, bro. Why we need the pullback. Yeah, it looks like you're not going to get it. I'm a first and only like. You have. Can you give me €100? Yeah, nah, bro. Yeah, what's good, Julian? How you doing, bro? I got into sales. Hopefully they play out, bro. 5 minute no top wick. You might be alright. Order's been doing everyone dirty. Yeah, so that's why you got to stay patient, right? Has been doing people dirty. I agree. Yeah, remember also the 4 hours also closing here, right? And you are closing bullish again above the range. So realistically, the 4 hours should fill that wick at some point. Yeah, as a minimum, you should see that wick fill, right? The only issue as well now is stops get rather large here. Yeah, if this closes no top wick, I'm done. I'm done for the day. If this closes no top wick, I swear I'm done. No, there's news. No way. There's news at 3, bro. It's in an hour's time. Oh, there's yellow folder news. Yeah, there's orange folder news at 2. I don't know if it will have much of an impact. Hey, what's good, FNAM? How you doing, man? The no top wick closure would be insane. What's good, Ben? How's it going, man? Good afternoon. It's almost 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. your time, bro. Not my time. It's 4 p.m. news for you. Yesterday's last one week. Yesterday's loss wiped 1 week and something. Not too bad. It's not too bad, bro. No, especially it was a 2% loss. It's like a relatively big loss. So yeah, you gotta be careful. But it's not too bad, bro. Phil Fuckery coming at 2 p.m. Yeah. Maybe. I think yeah, most likely. I'm not gonna lie. Have you caught anything today, bro? No, nothing. I want to be a millionaire in 2028. What should I do? Learn a skill, invest in yourself, invest in a mentor, and that's it. You have a Telegram for free signals? No, I don't. We're not that type of traders over here. There's 2 trades actually. Yeah, the mark. That's fine, bro. That's fine. You're risking 1% a trade. You're good. Yeah, if you want to learn how to trade, right? I don't do any free like signals or anything. I do have a free Discord you can join, which is right here. I also have a coaching group, right? And signals, which is essentially, to be honest, the most valuable resource I have. You can essentially jump in a call with me every single day. And basically discuss what's going on as well. The very big change coming to that group very, very shortly, right? And that's going to be even more like next level. So realistically, you need to invest in yourself to become successful in anything, right? No one's ever made millions without spending money first. Whether they spend that money on knowledge or teaching or university, whatever it is, right? Mark says, check his one-on-one mentorship. That's what I bought some months ago, and he really helped me. Really, really helped me. Hey, Mark, I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, man, that was a good time, to be fair. Oh, my days, chat. Yeah, W Mark indeed. Yeah, you got a closure here in 10 seconds, and I think you're about to see what you don't want to see. Oh, no, you're not. Oh. Yeah, chat. Again, no, nothing you can do here. If this 1 hour level wasn't here. But chat, again, what did I say, right? You came for that 33 level. You came for that no top wick. Mark him out with the Flavor Flav. Insane. I don't know how I get all these references. Chat. Yo soy finito. Matty man. God is ridiculous sometimes. Chat, this is difficult. It's very, very difficult. Can't take buys, can't take sells. Can't really do anything here, chat. Can't really do anything, man. NYC might be the move. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. $26.28 to $26.33. How many pips? That's 50 pips, bro. When did you go live? Like an hour ago. Exactly an hour ago. Ugly closure. Yeah, you're starting to push down here. Oh my days, chat. This is... It's not ideal here. Chat, remember, right? Patience is key. I'm going to be trading the New York session, the PM session as well for New York in the Signals group. So if you do want to join that and trade with me in the Signals group, make sure you jump in there. This is the cheapest it'll ever be. Price will be going up very, very shortly, right? It's never, ever going to get this cheap again. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think I'm done here, chat. I think I'm done here. Close back under 29.9, sells to fill the range. Yeah, it's not a bad play. I don't like the 4-hour closing so bullish. Those sells are not bad, but I would be concerned that the 4 hours just grabbing a bottom wick, right? If you're going to expect a 4-hour bottom wick right now, it'd probably be exactly 2629.3. What I'd probably do is I'd wait for the 30-minute to close above 2634. But even still, that's not ideal. And then I'd want to wait for the hourly. But then the hourly is obviously the news candle. Meh. Chat, we're going to play Geoguessr here. I'm going to call it a day right now. Not a day, I'm going to call it a session. I'm going to be back for the PM session. I'm going to go hit the gym. Get a nice little shoulder workout in. Maybe get some food as well. And then, yeah. And then we'll, well, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, basically. If you do want to play the game, obviously jump in. If you are going to leave right now, make sure you drop a like on your way out the door. Why not 30-minute buys? It just doesn't look nice, bro. When are you going to be live? Tomorrow morning, bro. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Or no, not 9 a.m. 8 a.m. UK time. Yeah, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. UK time. Joe? Sure. Alright, chat, cool. Let me start this up in a few secs here. Alright, nice. What's the move here, chat? What's the move? What do you guys think about the newer music as well? Do you like it more? I'm gonna see if it copyright strikes me, but I think it's a little bit more upbeat. I don't know if you guys can hear it properly, actually. I think you can. Oh my days. W. I think this is like... Bro, why did I not click Berlin? It literally said Berlin on it. I just couldn't bro. That was such a silly guess. Alright, we're in the jungle, chat. Oh shit, Jar's gonna know this one. He's gonna know exactly this bloke's name, government address. He's gonna get it within like a second. Oh, he didn't. Close. Not really close at all, to be honest. Gondi's come back. Gondi's come back to take over the Geoguessr, reclaim his title. I was the only one guessing Brazil. I don't know, bro. I've got zero idea why you guessed Brazil. Got no clue where this is, chat. Oh, knew it. Never mind. I don't have no clue. I know exactly where it is. I knew it was Bulgaria, but I didn't know where. That's what I meant. Henry. Fuck me, bro. It's mad that people live like this, eh? I feel like this might be... Bruv, what? They're tuk-tuks. How is that Peru? Right, final round, chat. I can't read that. I don't know why I'm even trying, to be honest. I don't know, chat. Bro. I feel like it's... Whereabouts in Thailand is it, though? If it even is Thailand. Oh, okay. I'll take it. That's called Nan. That's a sick name for a town. I want to go to Nan. Wait, who's SG broke my knee? Huh? Who is it? Alright, chat, listen. I'm searching for Arabia. Why, bro? Alright, chat, listen. That's going to be it from me today, I think. Yeah, W stream. We didn't manage to get any positions today on stream, but yeah, you're ripping up here. Listen, I think honestly, it was a good, it was a good stream. Again, once you're in ranges like this, it just gets very, very difficult, right? It gets very difficult. But yeah, other than that, chat, listen, I'll be back for London session tomorrow. I'll be streaming, yeah, London session in New York, obviously, as always. And I'll be trading in the Discord tonight for PM session 2. But other than that, chat, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.